Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Toyota CHR Excel. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 114 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 43 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 15 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 20,000 miles and comes with full service history from Toyota. This particular colour is the Eclispe Black and looks in good condition for your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you'll see the interior is in great condition here. The seats are leather and the front seats are also heated. There's an armrest and some cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers too. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth for your phone, and this car also has climate control as well as cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card there you've got your controls for your folding door mirrors and your full window controls. As we open the rear doors, you have good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for a hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Toyota too. And as we open the tailgate, you've got a really good sized boot there on the CHR, nice and square with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you'll also have a bit of extra storage there for some tools and also your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.